Charlie. I'm a participant of MMM. Okay, I said my name is Charlie. I'm a participant of MMM and I reside in Nigeria, precisely in Nasarawa State, in Maraba, in Maraba, a town under Karo local government. And I want to tell the world and Nigeria that MMM is real and MMM is not a scam like many people are thinking. I want to let them know that on the 10th of November 2016, I provided help of about 400,000 naira, and on the 16th of, on the 14th of the same month, that is 14th of November, I made the request for help, and I got help of about 492,000. That is, I made about 92,000 naira, which I think is wonderful because it has helped me in solving some of my problems. And I want to encourage other people that are still doubting that MMM is not real, it is not a scam, it's real, and they should try and key in because I've keyed in. I'm using this opportunity to tell them I'm not marketing, but I'm giving a live testimony of my own self. I'm not marketing for MMM, I'm telling you what MMM has done. And if you have been doubting, my case should be one of those cases you should consider, and you should know that MMM is real. So I'm encouraging all MMM members to keep the good work. I want to be grateful to MMM for what they have done for me, and I want to really appreciate them. Long live MMM in Nigeria, long live MMM around the world, long live MMM in general. I want to thank everybody that has made MMM a dream come true. The founder, Mavrodi, you are a wonderful man, you are a wonderful person for this beautiful and brilliant idea that you brought up. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. Long live MMM.